Day 66, October 4th. So Elizabeth found some extra flooring and finished this out. Basically from like about that plank over. It was just missing. So she found some flooring downstairs, cut all that and got it in there. And shut off all these lights. Then what she did was downstairs in the hallway, we had cut some holes for wiring. That one right there. So we had saved some old boards. So she cleaned up the edges of the other one and cut some boards in there and then put some wood putty. All that orange stuff will be sanded off to be smooth just to cover the gaps. And then did the same thing down here, cleaned up those cuts, got the boards to fit, did another one right there, a couple other little ones around. And what I did pretty much all day was I put my liner in, this really thick waterproof membrane, and then I got the corners glued in. I only had to cut, actually I didn't cut any corner. I got them all folded, as you can see, so there's no cuts. And then after I got that, I let that dry. I had to get all my plumbing squared away for that drain. And then I put in my mortar bed. So I don't know if you'll be able to see through this video, but checked it with all angles. It's got a good slope going down there, and then from that corner to that, from that back edge to that, and then from that edge to that, it all drains down in there. After kind of messing up on my one at the Rose house, I pretty much worked on this all day, making sure this mortar bed had the slope everywhere. So that is all done. Once that dries, then we can hang HardieBacker on the walls and it'll be ready for tile. So that's pretty exciting. Elizabeth also, after we watered the cows, she shut off the water and saw that it was coming out of the ground with our spigot out here. So she had to dig a hole out here and found where it was broken. So we have to just get some plumbing parts tomorrow. So that just changed into PVC. And it just broke off in the ground down there, so she had to dig all that out and expose that. So we'll get plumbing parts tomorrow. So that way we can fill up that water trough. Those cows drink that whole water trough almost every day. It's kind of crazy. And we did see all 4 of our fish in our pond today. So that's good. We hadn't seen them since we released them, but we did find all 4 of them today. So that is what we did today.